Hey guys, welcome back to Road Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat 500. If you need to find where the fuse for the front and rear wiper washer system is located, guys, for the windshield washer system and the rear window washer system, stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. If yours doesn't spray, we have a special video that explains the top reasons why the windshield washer does not work on Fiat 500. That's coming on the channel, guys, but in this video we'll explain where the fuse is located and we'll explain why it's super important to test the fuse even if you think it's a good fuse, so make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. If you want to see any specific videos on Fiat 500, leave a comment below, that way we can get an idea, and if we have time we'll try to make a video for your specific problem. If you need to buy any parts, tools, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. So what we have here, guys, we have a Fiat 500 2015 year, guys, model 2015. It's a Abarth, but doesn't matter if you have a Abarth or not, everything is about the same. So if you come right here now, okay, check it out now. Okay, we are going to come right here, and if you come right under the steering wheel where the pedals are, okay, we're going to come this way, and right here, guys, okay, we have fuse box, okay, a fuse box right here, and that fuse box, if you pay attention, guys, okay, we're going to have actually one fuse, okay, which is known as fuse F43, guys, and that fuse is for that stuff. And if you come right there, the second fuse from top to bottom on the left side, the 20 amp fuse, that's the one for the washing system. That's the one, okay, that you need to check, that 20 amp fuse right here, which is very easy to access. If you need to buy replacement fuses, I'll put the link in the description of the video below, where you can get a whole box plus free fuse puller for the price of just a couple of fuses at the parts store. Really good deal. Also, every time you check a fuse, test them, guys, because you may think it's a good fuse, but actually it's a bad fuse, and you may end up spending so much time and money to fix your car. I will put a special link to a special video that explains how to test a car fuse easily, so check it out. It will be in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.